Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Look what I have here. Huawei Nova 5T. Yes, there's the Nova 5T that is going to be launched soon in Singapore. So what I have here is a review unit. Okay, let me show you. I have the Midsummer Purple. I think this is a very special color. So without further ado, let's open it out. Okay, this is my trusty pen knife that I've been using it to open up many of the unboxing video. Okay, very unglamorous, so that's why I'm not going to show you. Let me zoom out. It's a brand new set, and seriously speaking, I have not really take a good look at the spec, so I really don't know what I'm going to see in this. Okay, looks normal here. Let's turn to the back. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, it's really purple. Okay, midsummer purple. Let me take out all this. Okay, take out all this. I don't need all this. Okay, not for sale. Take out. Okay, let me go through the box first. So, oh, this is a very interesting pin. So finally, they have changed the pin to something different. Okay, of course, it's the same pin, and I guess because I guess there might be a cover here, but because this review unit, you might not have it. And you have the charger. Okay, the charger brick. I don't know whether I can see it clearly or not. And this is the cable. And this is the USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter, and that's it. There's nothing else in the box. Cable, charger brick, adapter. So let's move aside all this and take a good look at this. So I don't know whether you can see it or not. Let me zoom in. Can you see the pattern? Okay. So let's take a quick look. It has it has let me see, 1 2 3 4 lanes. 1 2 3 4 lanes, and it has a very nice print over at the back. I think you can see it from here. Let me show you. And on the front, if you can see, there's a small little camera over here, the front facing camera. So let me power on and let everybody see how it put out. If I'm not wrong, it should be running on Android 9 and on EMUI 9.1 if I'm not wrong. Okay, I'll do some setup first before I talk to you again. So this is something interesting. If you can see from this screen, it shows that the fingerprint sensor is actually on the side here. So I wonder, yeah, on the side here. So I think it's a very clever way. It's just like the Honor device, which is also part of the Huawei devices. So they are using the same concept. So I'll be placing my finger here. Okay. That's it. It's quite fast. Okay, I'm going to set my face unlock. So for face unlock, same. You look at the camera in front and they'll do the scanning. Wait a moment. So I will enable all services. Okay, enable software. That's it. I'm in. No bug. Nice wallpaper matching the back of this. So it's pretty nice device. That's it for the unboxing. Okay, check out the reaction time of the fingerprint sensor. Very fast. One more. It's super fast.